backyard of this house in McKinney, and we did this project 3 or 4 years ago. We started with a blank slate. There was nothing in this backyard other than this lovely pool, and they wanted to build off of this environment and create a lovely outdoor living area. So I think we captured that very well. All the landscape material you see is what we planted those several years ago. And we did this outdoor kitchen as well, this patio cover structure. This is a Luder's countertop, stone finish. The cabinetry, I believe this is a trash can, yes. Here, of course, the grill, sink, more cabinetry. For this homeowner, it was very important for them to have a lot of cabinetry access with the doors so that they could put some of their pool toys and so forth under here where it's hiding. And then I want to mention this beautiful tree here. It's called a loquat tree. And if you could actually smell it right now, it smells like honey. You can see some of the blooms on it. And it is a beautiful ornamental tree. So it's one of the plants that were featured here in this landscape overall. So there again, you're looking to update your backyard, create an outdoor environment for your family to enjoy. We'd love to be a part of that. Encourage you to reach out to us. Thank you.